Hi, I will show a quick demo on how to create a CUX using Agentic skill. I'll be using GitHub Copilot, but the instructions are same if you're running with Claude or any other Agentic tool. Uh, okay, it's a five-step process. Zero to loaded run button in 5 steps. First, we need to install the generator code. So let me run this. Okay, it's done. Uh, Next, let's install the skill. If you look at npx skill, this is a CLI tool for managing agentic skills. Add it installs a skill from repository, and this is the repository name. And global, it installs for all agents and workspaces, not project scoped. A skill, you need to give the name of the skill because repo contains many other skills as well. So the skill we are interested in acad-cuix-builder, and the agent we are interested in the GitHub Copilot. So let me run this. Let's say yes. Installation is done. Let me give a clear screen. Let's go to the next. So let's launch the GH Copilot. And how many skills do I have? Okay, how many skills? How many skills are installed? Uh, so these are the available skills. Okay, so now let me add a CAD, and so let me copy the prompt and paste. I have given a ready-made prompt, but you can also give in a natural wording style. Okay, the part is done. Let me open this. Control copy. And put in app data, go to Autodesk, application plugins. Oh, it's already there. Let me replace. So AutoCAD. App open builder. It's okay. So open this. Yes, tooltip has come. F1. Help is working. And try Windsurf. F1. Yes, F1 works. Yes, zoom selection activated. Activated. F1 gives the AutoCAD help system, but if you hover it, now if you press F1, you'll get the custom help system. That's all. Let's go back next. Skill runs. This is a generator that's really runs and wraps everything into the bundle. Even if you provide a help file, it will show everything. Like I can exit now. So if you, so how so if you look at it has created the CUX, a list file which I already given. It also created a bundle, which all these are the inputs which I have given, and it has generated a bundle with the help file, CUX, list file, and extended help, the images. Uh, that's all.